The trucks were heavy and hard to pull without a back engine. But once they were rolling, they went very well. Until they reached the first hill.
Hold back! Hold back!
Without a back engine to push from behind, it was very hard to pull the heavy cars up the hill.
Oh! You said you were going to be good!
Sorry, Thomas. We forgot. We won't hold you back anymore.
What? No!
Without a back engine to hold back from behind, it was very hard to slow down. And Thomas's brake van wasn't strong enough to stop the heavy cars.
Oh no! Toby, look out!
Luckily, a signalman switched him onto a siding.